Did you know a gaming company once tried to pay speeding tickets just to advertise a racing game? In the early 2000s, Acclaim Entertainment launched the most insane marketing stunts in gaming history. They offered to pay speeding fines for drivers to promote Burnout 2. For a horror game, they wanted to put ads on real tombstones in cemeteries. They even tried to legally rename an entire town to Turok for a game launch. These desperate stunts cost millions of dollars while their actual games kept flopping hard. The company was burning cash faster than a nitrous boost in Need for Speed. Former employees later revealed that management has completely lost touch with reality. They genuinely believe crazy publicity stunts could save terrible games. Spoiler alert, they couldn't. In 2004, Acclaim went bankrupt owing over $100 million. The company that once published classics like Mortal Kombat had become a cautionary tale. Sometimes the wildest marketing can't fix broken gameplay. What's the craziest gaming ad you've ever seen?